What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of 52 Haircuts a Year, a vlog where I take you through my journey of cutting my hair 52 times in 1 year. And since there is 52 weeks in 1 year, this means I will never really need a haircut. Welcome to episode 23. That's 23. Alright, we're going to get started with today's episode. This one's actually going to be a little different. This one we're going to call a catch-up episode. Not a catch-up episode, but a catch-up episode. I did fall back a couple of weeks kind of throughout the year just because life happens, and that's okay. It's the part where you tweak and adjust the plan to make sure that you're on the plan, that you stay on the plan, that you stay on course to hit your goals. So if the goal is 52 haircuts and you fall back because of winters, because of life, you just catch up when spring comes around, when fall comes around, when summer comes around. But you stay on track. And having high awareness, like logging, in this case, like logging or vlogging your haircuts, you know what week you're on, you know where you came short a little bit, and you know where you need to catch up. So this is where we are, catching up. This is not going to be a full haircut. This is just going to be like a little cleanup haircut. We're going to call it 23, haircut number 23, because technically I still am cutting my hair. I'm not going to even touch this. What I'm going to do is just kind of clean the edges. I'm going to clean up the back, the roughneck. I got my template on already, just to kind of save time. I'm not even going to do a topic so much today. I'm just going to check in, say what's up, do the trim, and then we're gonna call it good. And then come the weekend, or maybe Monday, depending on how busy it is, I'll come in and do my official haircut, which will be episode 24. And then maybe do another one of these cleanups during the week, maybe Wednesday or Thursday, which will keep me on course and get me back on track. So let's get started. Well, I guess I already told you what I'm gonna do. I'll just gotta go through it again. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up the edges, maybe get the razor and kind of clean up the sideburns. Earlier today, I already kind of trimmed this up, so I'll probably just run the clippers through it, touch the back, and that's gonna do it. I said no topic this time. It's just a quick little cleanup, and I'll come here at the end just to say my goodbyes. Boom, here we go. Oh, while you're here, subscribe to the channel if it's something that you'd like to do. I invite you to do so. And in the meantime, if you got a question or anything, leave it in the comments down below. I'll be right back. Do it for episode number 23. Basically all I did, like I said, is I cleaned up the edges around the top, around the front, just kind of way around. I trimmed this a little bit. I hadn't run the clip through it, and then I did do a kind of quick square out, not so much up here to create a line, but more just kind of cleaned out the little roughneck that I call right here. If you're curious on how to do this, I got an episode on my channel that says how to clean the roughneck, so if you want to check that out in the meantime. So that's going to do it for episode number 23. Make sure you follow me here on YouTube. Make sure you hit the little alert bell that's right next to the subscribe button so you can get alerts on when the new videos come up. And also, if you like, I invite you over to my Instagram. There's a link down below, or go over to Instagram and search at Mr. Albert Lopez and follow me there for Mr. Shirt of the Day, which I do every day. I also got haul videos on my IGTV, so check that out. All new merchandise, and I'll also let you know when a new haircut is coming up here on 52 Haircuts a Year on the good old YouTube channel. Thanks for watching today's 52 Haircuts a Year, and we'll see you over the weekend, which is just in a few days, for episode number 24. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.